Hello and welcome to Copy Forest. Every single day, we teach copywriters, marketers, and business owners how to improve their copy through bite-sized copywriting lessons. Today, we are doing another quick and dirty 5-minute copywriting teardown. We are taking a look at the D2C e-commerce brand Hero Cosmetics today. Their best-selling product on Amazon, the Mighty Patch, is absolutely killing it. We're going to pick apart this page to figure out why it's so high converting. First, let's talk about how I discovered this product to begin with. Amazon actually recommended me this product because it's actually a #1 best-selling product under pore cleansing strips. I saw the orange banner and I noticed that it had over 96,000 reviews. Of course, I had to investigate further. This level of social proof makes this product one-click worthy. So for most consumers, seeing the 96,000 reviews and the unbelievable $12.99 price point is motivation enough for them to hit the big orange Buy Now button. But for those who are still not convinced, this product page does an amazing job of overcoming additional objections and motivating the buyer to hit the Buy Now button. Let's take a look at some other things this page does really well. So if you keep scrolling, you'll find several ways this product page moves the prospect through the stages of awareness and entices them to go back to the top and hit the Buy Now button. The first section we see here is a bunch of bundle offers to increase average order value. Then we see some ads here for products by the same brand to increase cross-selling opportunities. Finally, my favorite part of this page is the second product description, the main one, that features more images and answers some FAQs. This picture is beautiful, huge, and shows you exactly what you're going to get when you click the Buy Now button. If you look at this bit of copy here, you'll notice they repeat the phrase pimple gunk a few times. I really like this because this little bit of copy paints a super vivid image in the consumer's mind about what this product is meant to remove. I like how they added some icons and a visual guide to keep this page visually interesting and not just bore the reader with a wall of text. If you keep moving on, you'll find how to quickly use this product, as well as more social proof in the form of logos, reviews from the media, and more. Here they have a really nice infographic cross-selling you on other products in the Mighty line, product line. And when you get to the bottom, you see some beautiful social media graphics and some testimonials from influencers. This is huge. It adds more social proof, showcases the product even better. When finally you get to the end, you're once again hit with the fact that they have 96,000 reviews, 4.5 out of 5 stars on average. People are loving this product. How can you not want to at least try it once, right? Overall, this page does an amazing job of moving the consumer through the stages of awareness super quickly, bombarding them with benefits and social proof to convince people to one-click the Mighty Patch. So we've already established that Hero Cosmetics is killing it on Amazon. Their product has clearly gone viral, and I thought I'd take a look at their website and some social media channels to see if there's any other areas for improvement. I landed on their TikTok page, and they're doing not too shabby on TikTok, but something I did notice was some of their hooks and headlines could be stronger. For instance, you have headlines like, "I'm addicted to gentle cleansers," "This green tinted sunscreen is perfect for acne-prone skin," "Which trio is going in your travel bag?" "Mighty Patch Face." I think there's definitely room for improvement, and I'm going to show you a really quick trick I like to use to write instantly high converting headlines and hooks for video. So something that copywriters or people who write copy struggle with a lot is they're never quite sure if their copy will convert with the target audience. Without doing a ton of testing first, it can be really hard to determine after you launch a bit of whether or not it will generate sales. Fortunately, I have a neat copywriting hack I like to use to shortcut the process and ensure that you instantly create fairly high converting headlines. And that starts with using Amazon reviews. Now, the copywriting hack I'm about to show you works really well on a product like the Mighty Patch because it has so many reviews. 96,000 reviews is a veritable goldmine for anybody who's looking for copy or marketing inspiration when selling this product. What I did was I went to the bottom of the page and sorted all the reviews by the most helpful ones. Each time someone clicks the helpful button on an Amazon review, it's a vote of confidence that this review really spoke to them. I like to look at the most helpful reviews and then steal my copy straight from the mouth of the customer. This is called message mining, and I'm going to show you how it works right now. I took a screenshot of a very popular review. Actually, this is the most popular review for this product out of 96,000 reviews. Something about this one really spoke to the target audience. Now I'm going to pick apart this review and see which bits of copy I can use to craft an instant high converting headline for a Facebook ad or maybe a TikTok. So if you take a moment to hit pause and read this review, you'll quickly realize why this review was the most popular one out of 96,000 reviews. It's absolutely hilarious, and there's already a few bits of copy that I think would make great headlines. So here, one of my favorite lines from this is, she spends her workday looking forward to going home and putting one of these bad boys on her newly erupted Mount Zit. The other bit that I enjoyed was her saying that it's grossly satisfying, and it saved her several days of walking around with a bloody crater on her face, and that her previous method with dealing with unsightly blemishes was to pick. So just by reading this really quickly, I have some great ideas for headlines already. All right, let's write some headlines together using this review for inspiration. Okay, so as you can see, it literally took about 30 seconds to come up with 4 different hooks or headlines for a TikTok. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you found it valuable. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more bite-sized copywriting lessons. I'll catch you next time.